They have been bedeviled. The people we give the right to take the affairs of our people have been bedeviled. I don't know the type of people who bedeviled them. I don't know the type of spirit that bedeviled them. But I am calling on Africans to rise. If you are in Nigeria, arise. If you are in Cameroon, arise. If you are in Congo, arise. Rwanda, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Somalia, Djibouti, anywhere you are in Africa, South Africa, Ghana, where are you? Togo, Benin, where are you? All the 54 African countries and 4 odd African countries, arise and say no to this bedevilment. And we are not fighting the white, we are fighting ourselves. We are maiming and destroying our lives every day. How long are we going to continue to watch this cankerworm, caterworm and caterpillar to continue existing and be permeating into us? It is time we say no. All of us had democracy, which the white people brought to us, which they say it is government of the people, for the people, and of the people. Now the government belongs to us, but we don't know. It is time we know that the government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Therefore, everyone has the right to stand up to say no to this brutality, to say no to this impunity, to say no that all these mahandlement must stop. Watch a video. It is not only this. Okay. Do you see how these people are being damaged? These people have bedeviled us to the extent that we hate ourselves. The army in Nigeria is a Nigerian. There is no foreign army in Nigeria. The army in Cameroon is Cameroonian. There is no foreign Cameroon. In Congo, the army is the army of Congo. If you go, is it M54 in Congo? They are destroying the lives of their brother army. If you come to Nigeria, you see Biafra. They are now very sophisticated, more than the army in Nigeria. They are destroying lives. If you go to the north in Nigeria, the Boko Haram is destroying people, their brothers. How and when will this nonsense stop? How and when? Until we arise on our feet, things will not be done right. If an African country becomes 200 countries in Africa, it takes nothing away from Africa. We are still Africans. But the wickedness in the heart of these men can never allow Africa to have peace, because they are very myopic, they are very greedy, they are untrustworthy. We need to arise. As a prophet, I am shouting in the wilderness. Let us come back to the words of our Lord and change our ways so that things will be better for us. Until you as a person arise and say no to this nonsense, it will not stop. We are being depreciated every day. And many people don't even know when somebody is talking, saying, no, I cannot. And if some group of people that has no sense will just come out and be talking fuel about that person that is fighting for your freedom. Freedom does not come empty-handed. Freedom comes with a lot of pains. And when you say no to that nonsense, freedom will come. Stop backbiting your brothers who are fighting for your freedom. Stop backbiting on your sisters that are fighting for your freedom. Join them and fight the freedom and let the nonsense stop. Have you seen it? When will this rascality end? When will this inhumanity to man end? And you are still sitting tight, telling us that Nigeria will be fine, telling us that Cameroon will be fine, and every day things are going wrong. When the leaders are much in number, in old people, this is exactly what you see. Do you know what these old people hold in their heart? I have no more lifespan to live on earth. So anyhow it is, let it be. This is what they think. And we all must join hands together to say no to this nonsense. A man who has a future is a man who is supposed to lead any community, talk more of a state. A man who has future. A man, his life is still ahead to take care of the children, to take care of the wife, to marry, to do things are the ones that are supposed to be leading Africa, not old men. You come to Nigeria, you see Muhammadu Buhari of the old. Now they have transferred it to Ahmed Tinubu. An old man, look at his eyes. You see the oldness in his eyes. Now you go to Cameroon, look at Paul Biya. How many years? Paul Biya is up to 90 years, if not 90, 80 something. You go to Uganda. Who is ruling Uganda? Museveni. An old man. Museveni is 80 something to 90 years. Go to South Africa. What is happening? Who is ruling Africa? Ramaphosa. How old is he? How old is he? Things are going wrong by the seconds. People are being depreciated by the minutes. How long will this continue? How long will this continue? And some people are so myopic and stupid that when they see somebody shouting, instead of them to help and shout out, they will start talking nonsense. These people are not like you. They will allow you to finish, and they are going with myriads of security men with bulletproof cars bought of 150 million. But you have nothing and you cannot stand up. Stand up, get up. Stand up for your right. Stand up, get up. Don't give up the fight. If you give up this fight, your generation will suffer. My name is Ambassador 𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙚. Like John the Baptist in the wilderness, shouting, let us face the ways of the Lord and the ways of our Lord, is how I am shouting today in the open space in a foreign land, saying, arise, get up, stand up for your right, fight it, let it end. My name is Ambassador 𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙚, your prophet in disguise. I can never stay and watch things go wrong, and I will not stop crying until things are done right. Subscribe to this channel, share it across to once, and tell someone to tell someone. Hit on the bell button so that you'll be getting our notification any moment we post anything here. Till then, may God bless you as you stand up to fight for your right.